which tends to show that that person is qualified, the law says no. This situation is not as simple as it sounds to the man on the street. This is because the issue, the Supreme Court rules are not applicable here, because this appeal is not from the Court of Appeal, right? It is from the Presidential Election Petition Court. So don't mistake it for the Court of Appeal. Court of Appeals is 3. The Presidential Election Petition Court 6-5. Presidential Election Petition Court is a court of limited jurisdiction. In fact, it has only one jurisdiction, to determine whether a president is validly elected or not. That is the simple jurisdiction. It cannot determine whether I own land in not do that. Presidential Election Petition Court cannot determine whether I was negligent in driving my car. It is only limited to one. And in providing that limited jurisdiction, specific rules were made to guide it because of the special and specific nature of that jurisdiction. Right? So you don't apply the Supreme Court rules generally to Presidential Election Petition Court appeals. You apply the Electoral Act, which has told you how you go about it. An election petition is to be presented within 21 days.
Right.
After 21 days, you cannot introduce certain things, particularly if they affect a ground for challenging that election. And one of the grounds for challenging an election is that the person was not qualified. So if you want to introduce anything after 21 days, which tends to show that that person is qualified, the law says no, you can't. Once 21 days closes, that's all. That's by section 137 of the Electoral Act. So now, and this is an election that happened in February. And today is
October 3.
How can we be talking of bringing in new evidence?
So the issue, does it start from the day of the election?
Well, you declare the result.
The
21 days.
Result is declared. So that renders all of this totally.
It looks to me as
is dead on arrival.
Yes,
is that what you're saying?
That's the way I look at it.